How's it going, people? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited to be back. Oh my goodness. Look, it's day 11. I know. You're like, okay, where you been? Okay. So many things have been going on. And so, things happen. So anyways, I'm back. And welcome to day 11 of the Declutter Challenge. Today, we're going to be focusing on the living room, which can be, it could be quickly cluttered if you if you have a household that's got a lot of people in it. Okay. And sometimes it's difficult to maintain regularly, but we're going to focus on that today. All right. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, to start, take everything out of the living room that doesn't belong there. Separating those items into piles to keep, things to donate, things to throw away, that kind of stuff. We can use a guide, because I made a little guide for you, to write down what you're keeping and, what some of the things that you're going to need. Because, sometimes I don't know what it is, but it's so easy to accumulate crap. Is it just me? But it's so easy to accumulate a lot of crap, right? So take some time, look at the stuff that you have, see what you need to get, right? So once you have everything cleared, now it's time to start trying to organize what's left. Start by identifying areas for each item and designate storage spaces for them. Right? This could be like shelves, baskets, or other storage solutions, things like that. Sometimes you might just need to just purchase a couple of things, or you might not need to purchase anything at all. Just need to put stuff away. Okay. Just might need to put stuff away. Now, remember, the guide has these little sections, little places that you can kind of, keep track of all the stuff, right? The things that you're going to get rid of, what new things you're going to get, that kind of stuff, so that you can kind of keep why are my words escaping me? You can keep a list of the things that you need. I was thinking of a different word, but it's whatever. Anyway, I have not had coffee. Oh my goodness. Finally, you can take a step back and enjoy your newly organized living room, right? It would be so great. You could even invite over friends or just sit there and have you a cup of tea or a cup of coffee. See, that's what I want to be doing right now. We literally just did this today. Okay. My husband bought a carpet shampooer, and he went ahead and shampooed all the carpet on the ground floor. And yeah, it's nice. It's really nice. Carpet's still wet, but it's nice. So anyways, take some time today to organize your living room and enjoy the benefits of a clutter-free space. Thank you once again for joining me on day 11 of our Declutter Challenge. Now remember, you can get the guide, right, that I alluded to earlier. You can get the guide by going to lbcbranding.link/declutter to help you stay on track. Also, remember to click that like and subscribe button for more, and share your progress with us on social media with the hashtag Declutter Challenge. So, with that all being said, we're going to see y'all tomorrow for day number 12. Well, that's going to be coming up in a few minutes because I low-key didn't do it yesterday. Anyways, I'm so happy that I am getting caught up. So we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Deuces!